another story. Do you mind, JJ? No. Okay, here we go. Here's my fucking story there, people, right? So my brother, whose name is Ricci, right? He used to no, this is a Maine accent. They stole it from us. We were there, historically, we're fucking way first. Fucking way first. Anyway, my brother would park anywhere he wanted to on the streets of Portland, right? And they plow on certain days, so you gotta move over to the certain side. Anyway, he got all these parking tickets, they piled up and they put a boot on the car. So anyway, we walk out, we took a couple bong rips and fucking walked out, and there's the boot sitting on the car, right? And my brother just without even thinking this, lets a little air out of the tire and kicks the fucking boot down the street, goes sliding down the ice, right? Anyway, we reached over and we grabbed it and we wrapped it up in a towel and we put it in the back of his Jeep and drove down and we threw it right into the ocean, Italian style. So anyway, the chief of police, who's always hated my family, fucking Mike Chitwood, calls my brother into the fucking cop shop. We go down there and my brother just sits there, he's getting interrogated. He's fucking 16 years old. And the guy's I know you took the boot. There's only 3 boots in the entire city of Portland. They're worth $10,000 each. What'd you do with it? And my brother's just hey Mike, aren't those things supposed to be impossible to get off? That was it. It's at the bottom of the ocean right now. Casco Bay, along with the boat. Yeah. Sorry.
No apology necessary.
I want to know if your mom still likes you.
No. My mother wouldn't. My mother was so terrified of losing alimony from my father that she wouldn't date anybody seriously for very long. Now she's alone. Yeah. She has a dog. And if you think your life is bad, you could be Spencer the dog.
Really happens on DVD.
Walk